children, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you guys the natural cough syrup, how to make a natural cough syrup using lemon and honey. And I give this syrup to my children, and yes, it works for them. Whenever they have a cough or a flu, it really does work for them, and it can work for you as well. So before we go into this video, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to ring the bell beside the subscribe button so that you'd always get notified whenever I post a new video. And so let's get right into the video. For this video I'm going to be using 1 lemon, 1 ginger root and honey. That's simply what we're going to be using for this cough syrup. And I'm going to juice this lemon. Some people cut it up and put and leave it to stay, but I just juice mine and take it immediately. And I'll also juice the ginger roots, and then I'll add honey. So let's get right into the preparation. In a cup of warm water, you add your ginger juice. This is the juice from the ginger roots I showed you earlier. Lemon juice, and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Let me just add 1 tablespoon of honey here. And my cough syrup is ready. Just sip this. You can take this 2 to 3 times daily for effective results. And this is what I give to my kids when they start having their colds and their flus and all that. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll try it and relieve your cough, your flu, your cattarh. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section and I'll do well to reply your questions. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.